Hello student, I am Manoj Kumar Dev, science teacher at New High School. Today I have brought a video on the topic the reaction of acids with metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. Last video we discussed about reaction of acids with metals, reaction of acids with bases. We have discussed in detail in the last video. In this video we discuss about what is the reaction of acid with metal carbonate, that is the sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, and the metal bicarbonate. Carbonate, that is the sodium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate. This is the carbonate and bicarbonate of metals react with the acid, and how the reaction is formed we will discuss in this video. For this we discuss for the activity in which the how do metals carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid. For this activity some apparatus is taken, like we are going to describe the activity. Take two test tube, label them A and B. Take the about 0.5 half gram of sodium carbonate, sodium, that is the Na2CO3, the sodium carbonate, and in test tube A and the other test tube about 0.5 sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is the NaHCO3. Here given sodium carbonate in one test tube and sodium bicarbonate another test tube. Add 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid to the both of the test tube, and what do you observe we discuss, and the which gas is produced in the reaction we will discuss in the next slide. Here for this activity the apparatus is like that. Carbon dioxide here, dilute sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid taken here, as sodium carbonate taken in the test tube. When the reactions with the sodium carbonate with the acid happen, then the bricks of evaporations of carbon dioxide produced, that is the carbon dioxide gas, and which is collected, and the gas is tested by passing through the sodium passing of calcium hydrogen carbonate hydroxide, that is the lime water. And when the gas is passed through the lime water becomes milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. We will discuss in detail in this next slide. Here the reaction occurring in the activity has written the test tube A, sodium carbonate, the sodium carbonate plus HCl, and form the sodium chloride, that is the salt, and here the water and carbon dioxide, that is the skeleton reaction. Whenever the acid react with the metal carbonate, corresponding salt, carbon dioxide, and water is formed. This test tube B, when the sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate react with the acid, is also formed sodium chloride as a salt, and water and carbon dioxide. This is the basic skeleton of reaction of acid with the metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. On pass now, when the gas that is produced in the reaction, that is the carbon dioxide, on passing the gas, carbon dioxide gas evolve through the lime water. Lime water is a calcium hydroxide, aqueous solution of calcium hydroxide. Then the calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide with the carbon dioxide react to form the insoluble calcium carbonate that appears as a precipitate, and that makes the calcium hydroxide solution milky. That is the taste of the carbon dioxide gas. Here it is given on pass now. On passing the excess carbon dioxide, when the carbon dioxide passes excess in amount, the following reaction takes place here. Here the calcium carbonate plus water and plus carbon dioxide, then the calcium bicarbonate is formed. After some time, when excess amount of carbon dioxide passes, then the calcium carbonate converted into calcium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water, and again the solution, that is the calcium hydroxide taken as in the initially, it becomes again the water-like solution due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate that is dissolved in water and for the clear solution. Lime calcium carbonate there are various form of calcium carbonate here given here. The calcium carbonate appear as a lime stones, chalk and the marble are the different form of calcium carbonate. All now here we summarize by the activity like that all metals carbonate and hydrogen carbonate react with acid to give the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. That is the basic conclusion of the activity. We conclude that whenever metals carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid, the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water is formed. This is the reaction of the acid with the metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Here, the taste of carbon dioxide so produced, it is given in this slide. Here given here, the passing the carbon dioxide through the calcium hydroxide solution. In this reaction, the calcium hydroxide form the calcium carbonate that makes the solution milky. And here the appreciation given how the calcium carbonate is formed when the carbon dioxide pass through the lime water, passing the carbon dioxide through the lime water. Now on this activity we conclude that on passing the excess carbon dioxide, the following reaction, the calcium carbonate plus H2O plus carbon dioxide, the calcium hydroxide that we discussed earlier, calcium bicarbonate that is soluble in water. In the reaction again the milky solution become clear, that is given in the previous slide. Lime, another information is that the lime stone, chalk and marble are different form of calcium carbonate. That's all metal carbonate and hydrogen carbonate react with the acid to give the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide and water. Thus the reaction can be summarized as metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate and carbonic carbonate acid is equal to acid gives the salt, corresponding salt, carbon dioxide. That is the reaction of acid with the metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, next video we discuss about how the acid react with the oxides of metal. Oxides of metal, that is the basic in nature, we discuss in this next slide. Okay, thank you.